Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this episode, I will tell you how to make perfect outlines using the most popular grid method. Grid method allows you to produce an accurate line drawing by reducing your subject to a series of small squares. With this method, you will be able to make perfect outlines with your minimum effort. So, let's begin. I am using Drawing Grid application. You can download it from the App Store. After opening up this application, go to the three dotted lines on the right corner and then go to Load Image and Grid Settings. Now load image from the gallery. After selecting your subject image, measure the paper size. The size of the A4 paper is 8.3 into 11.7 inches. So I'll choose 7 inches in the column section and it will automatically adjust the row section. Now adjust the line width to 1 pixel and turn on the squares. As you can see, you have completed the grid and now you can export it on your phone gallery. Make sure the grid lines will be of lighter shade, otherwise it will be difficult to erase. Use masking tape at the margins.